Aptoid. I'm going to show you how you can do that today. I'm going to work my way through them. And part of my videos have been blurred, and that's because I don't want to get myself in trouble. There's a couple of YouTubers, Kota YouTubers, that have had their channel demonetized for showing the wrong type of content, and I don't want that happening to me. So that being said, let's work our way through them, and at the end I'll show you how you can install them all very easily. First of all, we have Showbox. So when you first click on Showbox, it gives you some information about movies and stuff. But in the top left, you want to click on the three lines, and then down here, you'll get movies and TV shows. So for example, you're going to click on movies, and then you just go down, you'll see a selection of movies. You then just click on the one that you want, and then you just let it load a second, and you'll see a button near the middle of the screen that says watch now. And you just literally click on that button, and bada bing, bada boom, happy days, your movie has then started. The next one I'm going to go to is Mobtro. Very popular. It has been out for a while. A good standard one. You're going to click on it. And then you've just got some categories inside. So you got some normal channels, news, you got sports, which is the main reason people use it, and so on. One very popular one at the minute, which I'm sure you all already have, is Terrarium TV. Now you click on Terrarium TV, it puts you straight into the box sets section. So these are all the latest box sets. If you want to change the movies, you click on the three lines in the top left hand corner, and then you can just drop down and click on movies. So once we're inside here, it'll give you a selection. We start off in the most popular category, and we just click on a movie, and then happy days, we've got that. Next, we've got Morpheus TV, which is a bit like the old Exodus Covenant type of setup, but it's in an Android app. From here, you got movies. I have to click on trending, and then that brings you to the trending movie section. This is how they appear in front of you, just not blurred the way mine is. But you can see that gives you a great selection of movies. If I go back and I click on TV shows, then again it just loads the most popular TV shows or trending TV shows. You can search and do a lot of other things as well on this. Definitely worth having. Next one is LiveNet TV, which happens to be my favourite free sports app. So once you're inside, you start off in the entertainment section. There are loads of foreign channels in here. Doesn't matter which country you come from, they're bound to have channels that you like in here. So you just go down within the entertainment section, you then see channels that you recognise. If we go along the top, you can see we've got sports, we've got other stuff like news, we've got channels from Belgium, Italy, Spain, Portugal, loads of the best sports channels. By far the best free sports add-on, the free sports app you want on your Android box. Wipes the floor with the sports in Cody. So yeah, that's the sports. If we go across the top now, I'll just show you what other countries we've got. We've got Spain, Portugal, we've got Kurdish, Australian, Thailand, German, Filipino, South Indian, Punjabi, Afghanistani, French. Afghanistani, is that even a word? French, Bangla, Nepal, kids, and a few others as well. So definitely worth getting. Another app that you most certainly want would be Aptoid TV. Now this, if you have this on your Android TV box, it makes life very easy to install all the best and most popular apps that are out there. So it's just like Aptoid, but it's mainly built for Android TVs, so you can install the best stuff very easily. Definitely worth having. Very easy to download as well. So that being said, let's go and check out something else. So now we've got UK TV Now, the Fire Stick version. I find this works the best anyway. So you click on it, and then that gives you access to loads of channels. First of all, it puts you in the all channels section. So you've got every channel that you contain at first. But if you press the three lines at the top, you can then change your category and go to sports, for example. And then you can come down and check out the sports channels. Next, we've got Redbox TV, which works very similar. It is very similar to LiveNet TV, but LiveNet TV does work a bit better. But this being said, it is still spot on. So this Redbox TV starts you off in the sports section itself, and you can see straight away there's a load of different sports channels there ready to kick us off. Great little app. If we go down, you can just see all those. And if we go across the top, we've got other stuff as well. Loads of foreign channels. Some Indian, Arabic, USA, Bangla, Punjabi, Indonesian, Turkish, Philippines, Sri Lankan, Nepal, and a few others as well. So there you go, that's Redbox. Next one is Show Sport TV. This one is very simple. You click on it and it tells you the schedule of games that are happening. So here they are there, that's what's happening. And all it is, you just click on the game that you want at the time that you want it. So let me just try one now. It isn't exactly 7:45 at night, but I'll just click on this game. And then it gives us a list of channels there that we can watch it on. If you click on them, it takes you directly to those channels. Therefore, you can watch the game. So happy days. And last one I'm going to show you is Solid Streams. Very similar to Redbox TV, LiveNet TV. Basically, you're going to click on it. You get Pakistani ones first, but if you scroll across, you've got sports. You've also got a load of other country channels like Indian. Your Kidzania, does that say? Well, you got kids channels, you got USA, Canada, Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese, Germany, Arabic, New Zealand, Australian, Afghanistani, is that right? Nepali, Filipino, Turkish, Indonesian, and a load of other ones there. They're going too fast, I can't even read them all. But basically, it doesn't matter where you're from, these have got channels for you. And that's about it. I'm going to now show you how you can install them. So if you want any of these, you're going to have to click on your browser and you want to download Aptoide if you don't already have it. So the first thing you do, you go to aptoide.com and you press that enter button. Once you're on their website, you just want to click on it where it says install Aptoide. So you just click on that and then it should start to download straight away. Depending on what device you've got, you may get a little pop-up like I have here. So you click on that if you need to. A lot of devices will just automatically download in the background. So once it's downloading, give it a second. We need to install it. So if you're on Android TV, look for an app called App Installer. If you're on a tablet, look for an app called Downloads. I'm on a tablet here, so I'm looking for Downloads. But Android TV boxes, look for App Installer. You click on it and then it'll give you the apps that you just downloaded. So in my case, Aptoide, I'm going to click on that and then I'm going to install it. So you click on install, it'll download. Once you've done that, you're going to open it up. You're going to have Aptoide and it's going to look like this orange one just here. So now you've got Aptoide, you're going to click on it. And then you could just go to the search bar in the top right and then search for those apps and then that'll bring them up. But if we go down, let me just stop there. We could just search in that top bar. From here, though, I found them all in one section. So if I just go down and I look for local top apps, you can see it just there, local top apps. And then I go across to where it says more on the right-hand side. This will bring up all of the local top apps. Click on there and you can already see some of these straight away. So first of all, we can see we got Showbox. So you're going to click on Showbox. And then on the right hand side, mine says open, but that's because I've already got it. Yours will say install or download. I can't exactly remember now. But I think it's install. So you're going to click on that and you're going to install it. And then you're going to do the same with Mobdro. You're going to come to Mobdro. You're going to click on this orange button on the right hand side, which will then download it and install it for you. And then you're going to have Mobdro. You go across. And then you've got Terrarium TV. You just click on there. And then you go to this orange button and you click on that. It starts to download and install. And then you're going to have Terrarium TV. The next one on the list, I've got this Morpheus, second row down. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to click on download. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, they might not all be in the top categories, in the top local apps. So if you can't find them here, then you can always search. If I go down again, let's pick another one. We got LiveNet TV. So while I'm here, I just want to say a lot of these apps, when you first download them, like this is the old version of LiveNet TV. When you download them from Aptoide, they're not always the latest version. So what you do, you download them, and then when you open that app up for the first time, it will then prompt you to do an update. So you just say yes. You'll download the app from Aptoide. When you come to use it for the first time, it will then prompt you. It'll say there has been a new update. Would you like to update? Just say yes to them all, because then that keeps everything running smoothly. Next, we go down. We've got UK TV now, and you can see mine says downgrade. That's because I downloaded this. It was the older version, and then I upgraded it. So now I'm back on Aptoide. It's now telling me to downgrade. So next, we've got Redbox TV, you're going to click on that, and then you go to this orange button on the right hand side, which in your case will say install. So click on it, it'll start to download, and then you're going to have Redbox TV. If we go down a little bit further, you can see Show Sport TV just there in the middle now. So click on that, and then on the right hand side you're going to see install. So click on that button, it'll start to download and install for you. And if we go a bit further down, we're going to see one more, I think. Let me just get down. I am looking for Solid Streams, and there it is there, it just popped up on me. So middle of the screen, you got Solid Streams, you're going to click on that. And then on the right hand side, you're going to click on install, that big orange button. And then that's going to download. So yeah, don't forget, you will get a lot of older versions from Aptoide, but you just open the app up and then they prompt you to install a new version. That being said, I hope you've all enjoyed. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Till next time, peace out, and I'll see you all later. Ta-da.